If you're using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, if you want to change or increase the font size after selecting the text in your slide, you can see here an option home. You must click this home, and here you can see this one. So if you click at this one, then you can see that the size have been increasing. You are going to click this one, and you can see that the font have been increasing. Another shortcut method is you can use three keys: Control key, Shift key, and right angle bracket. That's in your computer keyboard. This is the Control key, this is the Shift key, and this is the right angle bracket key. So if you press these three keys, that is Control key, Shift key, and this key, these three keys at the same time, after selecting the text, and you can see that the font size will be increasing. So I press the Control key, Shift key, and this key, that is I am pressing these three keys at the same time, and you can see the font have been increasing here. For more videos like this, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.